Will an ultraviolet air cleaner help my allergies? Anyone with allergies knows how miserable it can be, especially in the spring and summer. At this time, home comfort levels can decrease as we tend to switch off the central heating and throw open the windows and doors. While it can be nice to ventilate a home with fresh air from the outdoors, this area can often contain unwanted pollutants. If breathing in the fresh spring air makes you sneeze, then it could be worthwhile thinking about ways of cleaning the air inside your home, for instance, by fitting an ultraviolet air cleaner to your air conditioning unit. Ultraviolet air cleaners can destroy biological pollutants. Ultraviolet air cleaners use ultraviolet radiation to help destroy certain biological pollutants, including allergens and molds and viruses and bacteria. They are very efficient at destroying particulates that are airborne or which are found within an HVAC system, for instance, in the drain pans or ductwork. They work best when used in conjunction with a filtration system, as they shouldn't be considered to be a replacement for using filters, but rather a useful add-on pack can improve indoor air quality. How can mechanical air filters help reduce my allergies? Mechanical air filters are extremely good at capturing larger particles that may be airborne. These include some molds and animal dander, as well as pollen, dust mites, and dust, and of course allergens. One of the problems with mechanical air filters is that they can only remove particles that are airborne, and larger particles can settle quite quickly before they can be removed by an air filter. It can help to select a particle removal air filter that has an increased efficiency at removing airborne particles, using the most efficient filters to help reduce allergies. This is where it can pay to consult a qualified installer who will know exactly what will work well with your system and can advise you on how often you need to change the filters and whether there are any other measures you can take to reduce the amount of pollutants in the air. For instance, air filters can be flat or they can be pleated or have extended surfaces. Many air conditioners and home furnaces are fitted with flat filters that are mainly used to help protect the equipment from an unwanted buildup of dust and dirt. These flat filters aren't terribly good at removing smaller particles from the air, and this can include certain allergens and dust mites, as well as some mold spores. In contrast, filters with a pleated or extended surface are more efficient at removing smaller particles. All of these filters are likely to have a MERV rating. Those filters with a lower rating will be less efficient at removing allergens and other particles from the air, while those with a higher rating may be nearly as effective as HEPA filters. In addition, they may be less expensive than true HEPA filters and have the advantage of allowing greater airflow and of being quieter while running. The need to consult an expert cannot be stressed enough, as some residential systems may not have enough capacity to accommodate higher efficiency filters, greatly decreasing efficiency during their operation as air conditioning units.